Hello everyone, I'm Busy Bee from the Sunflower County Library System, and today we're going to be making a peppermint bath salt. These are great for stocking stuffers. And the items that you will need are a mixing bowl, baking soda, Epsom salt, coarse sea salt, red food coloring, peppermint oil, something to mix with, measuring cup, and a piece of paper. And I got a piece of red construction paper. Okay, so this recipe will make you 3 cups of this peppermint bath salt. It calls for 2 cups of baking soda, which I already have in the bowl, a half a cup of Epsom salt, and a half a cup of sea salt. Then you will need 8 to 10 drops of food coloring, and 15 to 20 drops of the peppermint oil. And I have already added some of the peppermint oil to this batch. I'm just going to drop in a few more drops. And we just take our mixer and begin to mix. If you would like to do multi-colors, you will have several mixing bowls. You can add another mixing bowl, and you can have one white and the other one, this red, of course. And if you would like it a deeper red, you could just continue to add more drops of the food coloring. But this is fine with me, and it smells amazing. So after mixing, you would just take your containers that you're gonna use to store this in. In my first container, I have, it's a mason jar container. And I have some yarn, multicolor yarn. And I'm just gonna take some of my bath salt using my measuring cup and place it into the paper. And I'm just gonna fold the paper in half, and I'm just gonna pour it into the container. We're just gonna add just a little more, just to top it off. And we're going to place the top back on. And take your yarn and just tie it at the top into a little neat bow. You can also use ribbon. You can decorate it however you like. You can also use a plastic bag, and I have a candy cane, and I also have a plastic bag. And you can welcome to use a Ziploc bag if you don't have one of these small plastic bags, but I had this from another craft. And you can just take it Get some of your bath salt, place it back into the paper, and you're just gonna fill the bag with the bath salt. Like so. And you're gonna take your candy cane and place it in the middle. And let me get some more yarn. That way we can tie it off. Like so. Just place your candy cane right here in the middle and grab your bag. And you're just gonna tie it in a bow. Like so. And these are cute and simple little stocking stuffers. I want to thank you for tuning in to our program today. And as always, continue to watch our Facebook channel and our YouTube channel for more programs as this one. Thank you. Have a good day.